Hey, what's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. Wanted to show y'all a basement structural repair job we're working on in Gastonia, North Carolina today. This basement's getting carbon fiber straps installed on it due to some bowing and deflecting basement walls. You can see here the first step is to clean and prep the wall. On this particular job, we did not have to do any grinding. There was no paint or anything like that. So we have brushed it, vacuumed it, and now we're blowing it out. On the second step, you'll see we start to fill in all the cracks with a commercial grade epoxy. This is all the cracks that even where our straps are not going, you can see there to the right of the video that our you can see the cracks that we're filling in. We're getting them pushed down into the crack, make sure we get good adhesion, good bonding within the blocks and the cracks themselves. As always, prep is one of the most critical parts to any project, making sure there's a good outcome, good product, good service. After we fill in with the epoxy, we move on to laying out our design for the strapping. This design is based on the cracks that are showing themselves and that have occurred. We want to make sure we don't put them too close together or too far apart or anything like that. After we get everything laid out, we'll move on to applying our primer to the wall to make sure that we get deep down into the pores of the block. Make sure we get good adhesion from layer to layer from our carbon fiber straps all the way into the pores of the blocking and the epoxy that we filled in with the cracks. Again, cannot stress the prep process enough and how important that is. The next step is going to be to apply our epoxy coating and then put the sheets of carbon fiber on. Again, getting them sheets of carbon fiber looking good, looking square, no air bubbles behind them. You'll see here in a minute where we roll the air bubbles out of everything. We want to make sure that we just really get good adhesion throughout the entire process. We don't want to take shortcuts because it's going to ultimately affect the strength of these straps. So in this moment here, you can see where they are rolling the air bubbles out, making sure there's no air bubbles behind the straps. You can see putting the final coating on, rolling the air bubbles again, and here's the final product. I think it looks pretty good myself. The homeowner is super stoked about it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 704-813-9554. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see y'all next time.